Welcome to my class. Welcome to my class. Are you ready for the lessons? Welcome to my class. Welcome to my class. Welcome to my class. Are you ready for the lessons? Welcome to my class. Hi everyone. Welcome to my class. Friends, I am going to visit a farm today. There we can learn about lots and lots of farm animals. Are you ready? Shall we start our trip? Alright, let's go. Miss Mary is going to a trip to farm, trip to farm, trip to farm. Miss Mary is going to a trip to farm on a sunny day. Miss Mary is going to a trip to farm, trip to farm, trip to farm. Miss Mary is going to a trip to farm on a sunny day. Did you see that animal? Do you know what animal it is? Please listen to it. Can you hear its noise? It says quack quack. What is that animal, my friend? Is it a cat? No, it's not a cat. Who says quack quack? Yeah, that's right. It's a duck. There is a duck. So, the duck is a farm animal. The duck is a farm animal. Let's sing, my friends. The duck in the farm says quack, 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 quack. The duck in the farm says quack, quack, quack. On a sunny day, the duck in the farm says quack, 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 quack. The duck in the farm says quack, quack, quack. On a sunny day. Friends, can you see that animal? Please listen to that animal. It says neigh. That animal says neigh. Which animal makes sound neigh? Is it a cow? No, it's not a cow. Who can tell me? Is it a dog? No, it's not a dog. Yeah, that's right. It's a horse. Horse makes the sound neigh. So, the horse is a farm animal. Horse in the farm says neigh, 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 neigh. The horse in the farm says neigh, 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 on a sunny day. The horse in the farm says neigh, 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 neigh. The horse in the farm says neigh, 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 on a sunny day. That animal is telling moo. Which animal tells moo? Do you know? Let's think. It's a cow. Yeah, that's right. The cow says moo. The cow says moo. Cow is also a farm animal. Now we know 3 farm animals. Yay! The farm says moo, 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 moo. The cow in the farm says moo, 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 on a sunny day. The cow in the farm says moo, 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 moo. The cow in the farm says moo, 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 on a sunny day. What is that animal playing in that mud? It's too dirty. animal tells oink? Is it a cat? No, it's not a cat. Yeah, that's right. It's a pig. Yay, good job. Pig. Pig is also a farm animal. Pig in the farm says oink, 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 oink. The pig in the farm says oink, 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 on a sunny day. Pig in the farm says oink, 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 oink. The pig in the farm says oink, 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 on a sunny day. Friends, I can see a bunch of wool over there. It's a big bunch of wool. I think it's an animal. Shall we listen to its noise? It says bah. That animal says bah. Which animal it is? Yeah, that's right. It's a sheep. What is that animal? Sheep. So, the sheep is also a farm animal. Hooray! We know lots of farm animals now. Sheep in the farm says ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. The sheep in the farm says ba ba ba, in a sunny day. The sheep in the farm says ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. The sheep in the farm says ba ba ba, in a sunny day. Did you hear that noise, my friend? What is that animal? Is it a cow? It says cluck cluck cluck. Which animal makes that sound? Can you help me? Yeah, that's right. It's a hen. Yes, very good. Good job. Hen in the farm says cluck cluck cluck, cluck cluck cluck, cluck cluck cluck. The hen in the farm says cluck cluck cluck, on a sunny day. The hen in the farm says cluck cluck cluck, cluck cluck cluck, cluck cluck cluck. The hen in the farm says cluck cluck cluck, on a sunny day. Friends, we saw lots of farm animals today. We saw duck, cow, sheep, horse, pig and hen. They don't live in this ground whole day. So, what about their houses? Can you help me to find their houses?
Friends, here we have chicken. Do you know the name of their house? Can you help me? We call it the coop. The house of chicken is coop. What about the house of sheep? Where do they live? They live in a pen. Yes, their house is called a pen. Where does the cow live? It lives in a... Can you help me? Yeah, that's right, in a barn. The cows live in a barn. The duck live in a pond, my friend. The ducks, they live in a pond. Where does the horse live? It lives in a stable. It lives in a stable. Now we have pigs. The pigs live in a pigsty. The pigs live in a pigsty.
I am so happy, my friends. We found all the houses of these farm animals. Thank you for helping me. Hope you are happy too. I am feeling so hungry now. We'll say bye-bye to these animals and we'll go back to our class. Shall we? Okay, bye-bye farm animals. Look at our lunch table. There are lots of lunch boxes. I can't wait till I open and see what's inside. Let's open them and see what's inside. I am very hungry.
We got yummy eggs. Friends, do you know how do we get eggs? Who gives us eggs? Yeah, we get eggs from hens and ducks. They are very yummy and very healthy. We have a yummy grilled chicken. Do you know how do we get this grilled chicken from? Yeah, we get it from the hens and the roosters. They are very tasty. Friends, here we have yummy sausages. We get these from pigs and hens. You know, the flesh we get from pigs is called pork. We have pork sausages and chicken sausages. In this lunchbox we have bacon. Bacon is made with pork. We get pork from pigs, so we get bacons from pig. Here we have a healthy glass of milk. We get them from cows and goats. And you know, my friends, we make butter, cheese, yogurt, ice cream from this milk. So all these foods we get them from cows and goats. The flesh of farm animals called with different names. The meat of cow is called beef. The meat of goat is called mutton. The meat of sheep is called lamb. The meat of pig is called pork. Not only giving food, the farm animals are used in transportation of people and goods too. They help us by pulling the carts. And we get wool from sheep. Not only that, horse gives us leather.
Those foods were very yummy. So we got all those from farm animals. So we have to thank farm animals. Shall we say thank you to farm animals? Thank you, farm animals. Alright, my friends. Now we saw a farm. So I am going to draw a farm. Yay! Are you ready to draw with me? Okay, let's start to draw. Look at my drawing. It's very nice. But there's something missing. Do you know what it is? Yes, there's no farm animals in it. Only there is the farm. So what will we do to the farm animals? I got an idea. Shall we make the farm animals with our handprint? Are you ready? I will teach you how to do it.
Are you ready to make farm animals with me? First, take white color and apply it on your palm. See, Apply nicely like this. In all your fingers too. Now, spread your fingers and keep it on the paper. Then for the next animal, apply yellow color on your palm and all the fingers. Cover all your palm. Then keep your 4 fingers together and thumb like this. Then keep the print on the paper. This is the print. Then for the next one, apply white color only on your palm. Don't apply to your fingers. Then take black color paint and apply it on your 4 fingers only. Don't apply on your thumb. Leave it. Then spread your fingers and keep the print this way. For the next animal, take brown color and color whole palm with brown, including your fingers also. Spread all your fingers and keep the print this way. For the next one, we have to take pink color and color your palm with pink. Then spread your fingers and keep the print like this. For the next one, take white color and color your hand like this way. Then keep the print again like this. Look, these are the handprints we made. We have 6 of them. Now, get ready to make our animals. First, take this yellow color one and with yellow paint, draw a circle. After that, take orange color and then draw the beak. Can you guess what animal it is? Then you have to draw the feet and the wings. Finally, the eyes. Hey, we have a nice duck. Next, take this pink color handprint and draw a big circle in the thumb. I think you already know which animal it is. Yeah, you are right. We are going to make a pig with this. Let's see. Then keep the eyes and the nose. Our pig looks nice. And the tail. In this brown color print, with black color paint, color like this. After that, color this way. It makes the tail of this animal. Can you guess what animal it is? Let's see. Hey, it is a horse. In this handprint, draw a big white circle in the thumb and then with red color, draw like this. Then a pig. I think you know that. What it is? It's the chicken. You are right. It's the chicken. Now, we'll move on to the next one. We'll see what it is. Color the thumb like this. Make its face. Make the ears, the mouth, eyes, it's a cow. Can you see our cow? It's having black spots in its body. Now here we have our last print. Draw a big circle. You can use black color too. I am using white color. Then color the ears and keep the eyes. This is our sheep. Now all our farm animals are ready. Let's place them in our farm.
Okay friends, our farm was very beautiful. Now it's the time for our worksheet activities. Shall we start to do our worksheet activities?
Find the shadow of these farm animals. First we have the chicken. Let's find its shadow. Hey! Here it is. Next is the cow. Does it help me? Oh, we have the cow here. Quack, quack. Now we have the duck. There's its shadow. Oh, here we have the shadow of the duck. Yay! Where is the pig's shadow? Oh, here we have it. Look, this is the shadow of the horse. It was very easy for us. Now only one shadow is remaining. It is the shadow of the sheep. Yay! Thank you for helping. Let's see what's the next activity. Match the animals to their houses. Wow, that's great. What is the pig's house? Oh, it's a pigsty. That's correct. Where is the house of the horse? Yeah. The stable is the house of the horse. Where do the ducky live? Hey, that's right. It's the pond. Our sheep wants to find its house. It's not the barn. Yeah, it's the pen. That's great. What about the chicken? Yay! Chicken lives in the coop. Here we have the last one. Mr. Cow lives in the barn. Wow, my dear friends. We did it all correct. Thank you for helping.
Okay, my friends. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I will meet you with a nice lesson next day. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our video, please subscribe our channel.